Bloop's DSO Dashboard brings together all the important information and activity that's going on within your program and summarizes it in one easy to access place for everything. So along the top, we have a count of the registrations that are waiting to happening, approvals, certification approvals, equipment approvals, and dive plans. Underneath, we get the detail for that. So this first box shows us all of the divers or boat operators who have expired certifications, when their expiration date was and what it is. We can go into that, email them all, remind them to update those details. Below we have the different categories of different approvals that you are being asked to do. So for dive plans, you can see the summary of the dive plan approvals that are needed. Clicking the little eyeball gives you a summary of the plan and allows you to approve it here. In this section, you'll get compliance warnings. So where people who are listed on the plan don't meet your institution's mandatory certification requirements or other standards that are pre-built into the system which you specify. It's possible to override all of these if you want, or you can send the dive plan back to the proposer, telling them that they need to address these issues before approving it. Similarly with float plans, it works in exactly the same way. Projects, we get taken off the screen here and shown the details of the project. You can just approve it there. Similarly with equipment, all of this stuff works in more or less the same way, keeping the activity that you have to do nice and straightforward. Muscle memory kicks in pretty soon. Scrolling further down, you get an overview of the projects that are ongoing for your program at the current time. Same with vessel operations, and then you get a nice map here showing you where your divers have recently been diving. These different sections can all be reordered using the settings gear into whatever priority makes sense to you. So that's totally customizable.